Hi you guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. So for this year, I'm going to make the boys some pancakes for St. Patrick's Day, and I'm gonna make them into a rainbow, and I'm going to make the pancakes in the oven. You guys know that I love sheet pan pancakes, but also you can make them in your muffin tin. So I'm gonna make them in my favorite silicone little cupcake molds. All kinds of tons of colors, but these are so easy. But I'm going to make a few different colors of the pancake mix. I'm just going to use some food coloring to make it into a rainbow, and I'll have a little pot of gold at the end of the rainbow for a fun little St. Patrick's Day breakfast. My boys love pancakes, so this is just a fun little festive way to have some pancakes for St. Patrick's Day. Hope that you guys all have a really great St. Patrick's Day, and I hope that you enjoy watching me make these pancakes for the kids. Definitely, you can have them as adults also, but my kids love these, so let's check them out. All right, so all of these pancakes are out of the oven. They just come out so easily from these silicone little cupcake molds. So I have all kinds of colors, and I'll make a fun little rainbow just because rainbows are kind of popular with St. Patrick's Day. But these are really, really fun, so easy. I just love baking pancakes in the oven because they just turn out perfect. Just the coloring is perfect. So I have all of my yellow, blue, pink, and green. You can definitely use any kind of food coloring you'd like, any color you'd like. But this makes a nice big batch. You guys know I love cooking things in batches to have lots of leftovers. So All right, so like I said, these just pop out so easily. No cooking spray needed at all. Lots of perfect little circle pancakes. I will make a cute little rainbow for breakfast for the boys. Hope that you guys enjoyed this. These pancakes are delicious and so easy. Really great for the kids and really great if you're gonna do like a party, a brunch party. These turn out so easy and you just pop them in the oven and make a big huge batch for people that you're having over for brunch. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. Hope that you have a great St. Patrick's Day. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.